welcome back to your girl mother freaking channel. You did what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so this video is gonna be me deep cleaning / room tour. I need to get my hair done. I know. My face kind of dry, y'all. That's why I can't really talk, cause I just got done washing my face. I'm actually remaking this video. I made this video for one on a trip. I'm gonna remake 2 videos. This video and my traveling pack. What's it called? What's in my bag? Traveling pack, whatever. Pack video, but them videos look a hot mess, so I just had to redo it. So I'm trying to put out good content for you guys. Oh, let me turn this down. Okay, y'all. So, starting in the bathroom first. Yeah. So, this is the bathroom. The counter. Post the end results at the end. Let me get into it. Yes. Okay, now we're starting on the toilet. All right, y'all, so we're gonna get to the tub. I love this sponge. I got this from Walmart for like 97 cents. I used it one time. This is my second time using it. I can use it some more. It's only 97 cents. So it's like, I'm gonna see how long this lasts. But that's a good scrub right there. I'm in a room. Y'all see all this, I gotta clean. I really just let this get messy for y'all. This room really don't get messy. Oh, and I only get messy too when my nephew come over. This room get real messy, but if he's not over, this room don't really get messy. Hope y'all enjoy. I'm finna get started. And I have this is my Father's Day gift stuff over here. Got that little over there. This my little sister stuff. Yeah. Hey, look at this. I just did this to the closet. I just moved the mirror back over there. It look better right here when it's on this wall when I'm taking pictures and have my bed in it, but it look better if I'm trying to see my outfits or whatnot. But now I'm finna separate my clothes. So, yeah. This is the first time my closet ever got like this. This is because I was trying to take out clothes for a trial haul and I ended up not doing it, and it was like 20. It was a lot of clothes in that pack. So I was like, oh no, this is gonna be a long video, so I need to do that another day. That's why my closet look like this, but I'm gonna get into it, y'all. I'm tired. Have to do is wash 3 more loads. Bathroom is clean. I'm gonna put this cover up. This cover is actually clean. Just took it out recently. And I have to vacuum. I'm gonna put this white cover on my bed. These sheets are clean too. Done. As y'all can see, look who's here. My room probably finna be mud freaking dirty tomorrow. And he, candy right now. He finna be acting a fool in the next 20 minutes. He finna be buck crazy, buck wild, all that. And when I'm done washing clothes, I'm gonna hit y'all back up and I'm gonna give you the whole room tour. How I look in the daytime and nighttime. So I hope you guys enjoy. Good night, you guys. Hope you guys have a good night's sleep. Sleep well tonight. Wake up, go make some money, rest, pray up every day, and peace out. And that's just on that. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at your girl Nitu A2Qs, YAA girl and IQQ, and that's just that. Yeah, get me to 200 subscribers. I'm on a road to 200 subscribers. Yes, please get me there. And get me to 50 likes.